Hi. Yeah, I'm trying to flat my wasteboard, so I just use a router on an MDF. As you can see, I took about 0.30 inch off, so I can have a completely flat, because my table is not that flat. My question is, I do a pocket. Do you see that square right there, a rectangular in the middle of the board? Yeah, somehow it's that long from here all the way to here. I can feel it. It's higher than the rest, just a hair. What make it do that? And then did you see that diagonal line right here? It's sewn up. I can feel a little. I feel it, but it's not big deal. But the square is pretty thick. You can see it. It's higher than the rest of the area. Why does it make that? I wish I can make it completely flat. And where did this square come from?